guys, it is snowing. There is a blizzard coming to New York and there is a travel ban until tomorrow afternoon. I'm just making cookies. We're gonna have a cozy evening and spend a snow day together tomorrow. A storm like this in New York easily over a decade. I remember being little and there being lots of snow days, but it is pretty cool outside. Even though I'm like very ready for winter to be over, I'm not that mad at this. I'm almost done with these eye patches and I'm kind of excited to try a new brand. Empty. I'm pretty sure I got these on Amazon like a while ago, but I've been wanting to try the road ones because everyone keeps raving about them, and there's a couple other ones I want to try, so I'm going to see if they have singular options so I can just try it out. Not that doing it once is going to give me like my answer, but those were really inexpensive compared to a lot of them, which is nice, and they do feel so nice. And I do feel like they work when you're consistent with them. Okay. I very much need coffee, so I'm gonna make my lemon water. And then we're gonna make coffee and do a little workout. These Sweet Loren's cookies are fire. I really want to get my house a little bit together. I need to wash my bedding and then shower and really just enjoy the rest of our snow day, because I don't think we're getting out of the house. Let me show you. They're trying to clear out the condo complexes right now. It is 2:45 and I have just now showered. I am washing my sheets and we're gonna clean up a little bit in here, but I'm also off tomorrow. So I kind of decided I was gonna put a lot of my work off until tomorrow, because I do have actual computer work I need to do that I have zero desire to do right now. I need to keep drying my sheets. Okay. I thought I might be able to put my bed back together, but my sheets are not ready yet, which is fine. I started reading my book called House of Fragile Dreams. I'm 60 pages in and I'm not gonna lie, I don't love it. Nothing's happened really, and I need a book that like captures my attention and I feel invested in the characters right away, and it just feels a little dull. But I do have 2 Ellen Hilderbrand books that I bought that I'm pretty sure I'll like. I have yet to read a book by her that I don't like, but it did stop snowing and it looks like they got most of the condo complex and roads like cleared up, which is great, because I booked a workout tomorrow with this girl that used to teach for us, who I absolutely love as a person, but also her classes were my absolute favorite classes to take. So I'm really, really excited to go take her class. She teaches on a slightly different machine called an X-Former. I don't even know what time it is. Oh, it's 5:45. But I just texted my brother and asked him if he had any like good show recommendations, because I don't really watch a lot of shows. Like I watch YouTube and I like to watch sports, but I'm not good at sitting still to watch a series or a movie. With sports, you can kind of like watch it and be doing something else and be listening to what's happening. But that's been our little snow day. Very chill, very cozy, not mad at it. I'm missing a pillow cover. I'm really hoping that my other pillowcase is in the wash that's like currently going, because otherwise I literally don't know where it is. But I also put like whiteout in there, so I don't know. My washing machine is acting up today naturally, because I wanted to do a bunch of laundry and get my sheets and my blankets and stuff cleaned, and it is doing this thing where it does this sometimes where it just doesn't like fully rinse everything. You guys probably don't care, but it's just annoying. I haven't actually watched a show or picked out a movie. I mean, I have ADD, so I have a really hard time like sitting down and focusing anyway, but it's funny because I can sit and watch YouTube, although I guess you're not necessarily like zoned in and paying attention to every detail when you watch like YouTube. Or at least I'm not. Like I kind of just have it playing on
the background, like I hear it and I'll like watch it, and then I can also work while I'm doing it, or like read or be on my phone, or like I'll double task. I don't really sit and watch it. I need to work on that. Anyway.
Good morning. It is 8:15. We have to leave at like 9:30, 9:40 to head up to Fishkill, New York, because it's like a 45-minute drive. But we're gonna make some granola. Just got ready. I'm just wearing these charcoal Align leggings. This sweater is actually a polo sweater that I thrifted for like $10, which we love. And then I have on a thicker headband right now just to like cover more of my ears because I didn't feel like wearing a beanie, even though I probably should. And yeah, I packed a white tank top because I have on a white sports bra. So if it's hot in there, I have a tank top, I have Pilates socks, and I need to just fill up my water really quickly. We're gonna head out and go take class. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited to go take this class. Her classes are just so good. It's 11 o'clock because we stayed, or no, it's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock because we stayed and chatted for a little bit. She has so many good cues, and like no matter what you do for work, I feel like there's always someone that, or there should always be someone that you can go to as like a mentor, and I feel like she's just like that person for me, and I'm always so grateful to like have her in my life. But I did not do my returns before I came here. They were like shoveling and doing all this stuff outside, so I need to go return that and obviously like make myself some lunch. I did pick up an iced coffee. If you are in the like Poughkeepsie, Beacon, Fishkill area, the studio I went to is called Spring House, and I took Stephanie, and then she was just telling me about another instructor named Rebecca. So if you are in the area and you want to take class, highly recommend it. It's such a cute studio, and Stephanie is the most amazing instructor. I've been taking her for years at different places she's taught at, and I just cannot say enough good things about her. So if you are in the area and you want to try something similar to Legree, definitely check out the Spring House. But we are gonna head out of here, head back down to Westchester. I'm gonna get my stuff returned, and then I need to put my registration on my car. That I have to do. Like, I literally have like 4 days before it expires. Sorry, the lighting is so yellow in here, but I'm having some of the granola I made with some yogurt and blueberries. And I did my returns, and I have some work to do. And I definitely need to do my registration. So that is going to be the next couple hours. I am really hungry. And it's only 5:30, but I'm kind of thinking about making an early dinner. I just have no idea what I'm gonna make because I didn't go to the grocery store, even though I should have. But I planned on ordering my groceries and then found out that they're not delivering until tomorrow. So I have some options. I can do an omelet, or I could do like sliders, or I could do like mac and cheese. Here. I don't really want anything that's in there. TBD. I don't know. I don't know what I want. I wouldn't say that this looks the prettiest, but it tastes amazing. And it is absolutely not healthy at all.
They're gonna get them dirty, and then I'm gonna be like, no, it's fine, it's really dirty. Oh. Have you been looking for a skin-safe retinol? Neutrogena is right.
All the games I want to watch are on later tonight. And two of them are overlapping because like the Celtics are playing the Suns, which is going to be a really good game. And then the Warriors are playing the Pelicans. But the Warriors don't play until 8. So, what time is it? It's 6 o'clock. We have like an hour and a half before the Celtics game. I feel like my entire day has been spent here doing work, which is fine. But anytime I'm looking at a screen for extended periods of time, I'm so tired. I wish it was a little nicer out. I would go walk around my complex, but it's like 20 degrees outside. And then there's also the obvious issue of there being an obscene amount of snow everywhere. Good morning. I'm just getting ready for work, but I woke up to more snow this morning. So that was fun, but I'm gonna go to work, hopefully get some groceries and get in a workout and then end the vlog off today.